Hey there, ladies and gents. I hope you're doing well. This video, we are going to continue the model of looking to create, uh, you know, 100K dollars online. Okay, now this is something that I am taking seriously, but it is also a bit of fun, and more importantly, it is to help uh, teach and show individuals who have no or very little understanding of how to generate income online and different business models, specifically using affiliate marketing. Now, my name's Reese. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. And in this video, if you haven't seen any of my previous ones, you can kind of see it's a little bit dark behind me. And that is because today I have been in the city of London, where I live and have grown up and work currently. If you have no idea about my kind of story or journey in marketing or the online world, uh, at 21, I met a multimillionaire in the States, worked on a startup out there for a couple of years, which was fantastic. At 23, my father passed away, unfortunately. At 25, I suffered with some serious mental health issues, and now I make a full time income from affiliate marketing. And you're going to see this, just briefly to get the video started. This was pretty much my commute into London this morning to, a part of London that's great. And yeah, this is, as I say, this is what I do full time. There are loads of businesses and loads of verticals in this industry. And what I'm going to be showing you is a business that is actually based in the US or United States, but is available to individuals to promote. Now, this business is $25, so it's a very, very low cost investment. There are some additional investments needed, but in terms of actually starting an additional stream of revenue, if you're, consistent with it and you learn the skills that are needed in online marketing or digital marketing, then this is something of value that I think the majority of people can get started in fairly easily. Now, that model or that business or the product to make you aware is a $25 a month funnel builder, and they provide training as well. So this is basically called HBA, and you earn instant $20 or $100 a month monthly commissions on these products. Now, that is provided you are signed up to the products yourself. You will then be given 80% commissions, and the aim is to get really as close as you can to $100,000 a year. And more importantly, you learn some initial skills or beginner skills that are crucial. If you haven't seen my previous videos on this series, please check them out. It will give you a bit more of a breakdown, but they have paid out over $3 million worth of commissions, which is a great program. So there will be a link around this video. You can check that out. And what we're going to be doing today is sending this product to some potential customers who are interested in earning some additional money online. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to go to our mailing system, and we have today's date. So we're going to select all of these potential customers, and I already have a email which is good to go. So what you're going to need to do is put this in your subject line, which is here. We're going to come back to these kind of prefixes right here, and then we need to go to the body of our text. So I already have a email template here ready to go. There is already a mailing system that takes the hassle out of emailing yourself, ready to go. And we just want to make it look as readable and make sure that they are aware of the benefits of using and utilizing this system. Okay. So, if you have no idea about what affiliate marketing is, as I say, there is a video where you can catch up. I signed up under somebody who was promoting this product in particular. I signed up under their link to make sure they got received commission. Okay, because the great thing about affiliate marketing is you should be rewarded for providing products or services that are of value to others. Okay, so everybody should get paid for their contribution to sharing something. Okay, it takes nothing away from anybody. You're going to pay that amount anyway, so you may as well reward the person that's sharing valuable information with you. Okay, now what you are going to need, as you can see, we have the email here. One thing I'm going to copy is the name here. Make sure that you take all of that in and place here, so whoever we deliver it to, it will be personalized to them. We're also going to press the perfect timing button here to make sure that it sends at a perfect time for the recipient to open. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come to Samcart, which is where the link for your affiliate link to share is, and we are going to make sure that this is hyperlinked to make sure that you are rewarded correctly. So we have the affiliate link set up and ready to go. Now, while you are signed into Samcart, it won't actually show the referral link on the page. That is okay though. No need to worry about that. If you want to just double check and make sure, again, if you just press the copy button, come back to your link here and make sure that that is ready to go. Okay, so this is good to go. We just want to preview before we send. One thing that I'm going to change is just the color of the text right here. We are going to have this in, let's see what this does. Put that back. We're going to have this in green here. We're gonna keep this in. We're gonna keep this in green just because it's a bit nicer to look at. But anyway, we've got the subject line and we've got the body of text ready to go. We have all of the potential customers ready to go as well. So if we click send email, that will send at the perfect time, and you will be unable to send another email for the next 24 3 hours, which is fine. So yeah, you've seen a little bit of my morning activities working in affiliate marketing. There are links down below if you want more information on affiliate marketing, okay, and more than that, skills, okay. I have worked for agencies, brands, and I have a really good network of individuals who manage affiliate programs in a few different verticals. You know, paid media buyers, and if you want training or more education on the stuff that you cannot get for no investment, okay, then be sure to click around the link. I know there are a lot of people online that will provide information that is a bit vague. And the truth is, if you really want to, develop or grow in a certain area, you're going to have to, at some point, learn skills and leverage them and pay for education that you just can't get online. I myself have invested in education in different areas, but I also have experience and experiences that are more than you could put into anybody's course or anything like that. I have real life experiences in this field. It's what I do on a day to day. So if you are interested in this model, let me know. I will be sharing and continuing to develop this and different areas. So if that does interest you, anything to do with affiliate marketing, then be sure to reach out. And like I'm going to say on most videos, if there are opportunities that you spot in different spaces, be that crypto, be that online business, whatever it might be sure to let me know what you're into or anything that might be working. And I will continue to make these videos. Hope you got value from it. As I say, be sure to click around the video and check out some of the stuff. All the best and peace out. Speak soon.